going to see clear conditions, but some fog rolling in and cooler temperatures tonight. In fact, we are a good 6 to 9 degrees cooler for some spots tonight compared to this time yesterday. We'll show you what the rest of the week is going to shape up to look like, plus a chance of rain coming at you from the next weather sphere when we come back.
It's feeling more like fall this week.
And meteorologist Evelyn Taft is here with our next weather. It is indeed.
It is indeed, Pat and Juan, and really a beautiful day for a parade. Why not? I mean, it could not have been more perfect earlier today. It really could not have been. So it does feel a little more like fall out there, but we are looking at near average temperatures for the next few days. Then eventually some changes heading our direction. As we take it outside right now, you will see that it's getting dark. Yep, sooner. That is always kind of hard to wrap your head around, right? Right after that first weekend of daylight saving time. But here we are, temperatures getting a little cooler this evening, and eventually we will see some changes in store. But let's talk first and foremost about temperatures as we move into tomorrow, because we'll stay near average for this time of year. You'll see the numbers mostly in the 60s for tomorrow. And as we take a closer look at all of the numbers, you will see 68 in Long Beach, 74 downtown as we move to Manhattan Beach, 72 for Santa Monica, and 74 as we head to Woodland Hills. Now let's push a little further inland to Pasadena, 75 degrees, 77 in Glendora, 74 Yorba Linda, 79 Ontario, and we're still in the 80s actually in the Inland Empire, so still quite warm for the Inland Empire tomorrow. So we're staying warm, things are staying pretty, I would say, non-eventful. That's a good word for it as we head into the next couple of days. Now, Wednesday, there is a slight chance of rain heading our way in the forecast, and that potentially could bring maybe some showers here. There's a storm system to our north that could bring a little bit of drizzle potentially to the forecast, maybe some light showers. As we pan over to the west coast here, I do want to take a look at your 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook, and you'll see green. Yep, green is showing up. We are expecting, like I said, rain to our north come Wednesday. We could get a shower or two here at home, but then after that, we are expecting to see dry and warmer conditions as we head toward the weekend. By next week, we start to see a completely different forecast. There is a pretty healthy chance of rain in the forecast as we move into next week. And that could be, again, pretty widespread. The best chance will take place Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and we'll continue to watch it for you. But I do want to get a look at the rest of your forecast right next to me here. And as we do, you will notice that things are calm for now. Chance of drizzle, maybe a light shower as we clip the end of a storm system Wednesday. Warmer and drier Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then by next week, we're expecting a chance of rain. And remember, the best chance lies Wednesday through Friday at this point. As we get a look at your next weather upper atmosphere pattern, a few things happening here. Low pressure bringing cooling ahead. Then we've got near average temperatures again by the weekend. And there's that low that could potentially bring in widespread rain to our forecast by next week. As we run you through Futurecast, before we get to next week, you will see maybe a little bit of drizzle potentially materializing on Wednesday. Fog in the morning, clearing by the afternoon for tomorrow. And again, maybe a shower or two, but nothing too major on Wednesday, and we do clear out nicely by the late afternoon. As we take a look at your next weather 7-day forecast right here, you'll see 70s turning to 80s for the next 7 days. We do start to see temperatures dip before they get a little warmer, before we eye a chance of rain later next week. Remember, the best chance will take place Wednesday through Friday, and of course we'll continue to track it all as we move just a little closer to the end of next week. But for now, nothing but 80s and maybe a shower on Wednesday. I'll send it back to you, Pat and Juan, in the studio.
That's a downright good forecast. All right, thank you, Evelyn. Well, actress Laura Dern